Hello everyone, you are watching S for Shamsi YouTube channel. Troubleshooting step if your AC is not cooling. Quick checks. Number 1. Ensure AC is set to cool mode. Number 2. Check thermostat temperature setting. Number 3. Verify power supply and circuit breakers. Number 4. Ensure air filters are clean. Common issues. Number 1. Low refrigerant. Number 2. Leaks in ducts or coils. Number 3. Faulty compressor or fan motor. Number 4. Clogged condenser coil. Troubleshooting steps on outdoor unit. Number 1. Clean condenser coils. Number 2. Check for blockages around the unit. Number 3. Ensure proper airflow. Troubleshooting steps on indoor unit. Number 1. Clean air filters. Number 2. Check for blockages in air ducts. Number 3. Ensure proper drainage. Additional tips. Number 1. Check for refrigerant leaks. Number 2. Verify thermostat calibrations. Number 3. Inspect electrical connections. Number 4. Consult user manuals.